Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my lecture is for class 9th, subject biology, and the topic is structure and functions of Golgi complex. And the Golgi apparatus consists of a system of membrane-bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called cisterns. These membranes often have connections with the membranes of endoplasmic reticulum and therefore constitute another portion of a complex cellular membrane system. The material synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum is packaged and dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Its functions include storage, modification, and packaging of products in vesicles. Now, what are the functions of Golgi bodies or Golgi complex? First one is cell plate formation. In plant cells, during the division, the Golgi bodies secrete materials, that is cellulose, pectin, for the cell plate formation, which is then transformed in the cell wall. Another function is cell membrane proliferation. For the growth of plasma membrane, the proteins are secreted by Golgi body in membrane bound by vesicles. Another function is pigment synthesis. Golgi complex has also been described as a site of synthesis of melanin in several melanocytes, a retinal pigment in retinal epithelium. Lysosome formation is another function. The primary lysosomes are formed from Golgi cisternae. Acrosome formation. The acrosome is found in the sperm cells of most animals. It assists in the fertilization of ovum. Now, what would happen to the cell, to the life cell, if there was no Golgi apparatus? So, if there was no Golgi apparatus in the cell, then most activities performed by the Golgi apparatus will not take place. So, if Golgi apparatus is absent in the cell, then the process of storage, modification, and packaging of products will not be possible. The formation of complex sugars from simple sugars will not be possible. The Golgi apparatus is involved in the formation of lysosome or peroxisomes. If the Golgi body is absent in a cell, the synthesis of lysosomes or peroxisomes will not be possible in the cell. Then another cell organelle is the lysosomes. Function and structure of lysosomes. Lysosomes are simple tiny spherical sac-like structures distributed in the cytoplasm. Each lysosome is a small vesicle surrounded by a single membrane and contains powerful enzymes. These enzymes are capable of digesting or breaking down all organic materials. Lysosomal enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. The function is lysosomes serve as intracellular digestive system, hence called digestive bags. They destroy any foreign material which enter the cell, such as bacteria and virus. Second function is lysosomes also remove the worn out and poorly working cellular organelle by digesting them to make way for their new replacements. Another function is during breakdown of cell structure, when the cell gets damaged, lysosomes may burst and the enzymes eat up their own cells. Therefore, lysosomes are also known as suicide bags of a cell. These are the structure and functions of lysosomes.